Good morning, 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 good morning. Yesterday, I shot a buck. Got some meat in the freezer and tagged my first of 2 North Carolina bucks this season. No time to waste, we're back at it. But this time, my buddy Eli's gonna come with me and I'm gonna film him and hopefully he can chew something today too. That would be great. Hopefully we have a good morning and a good time. Because that's what it's all about, baby. That's what it's all about. It's having a good old time with your buddies. So,
how you doing?
Let's go. I'm tired, but I'm ready.
When's the last time you got up this early?
4:30 last November. Been a minute.
For some ducks?
Probably Colorado.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh. No doubt. Well, we're gonna go. We're gonna get after it.
We're gonna get after it, boy. Stoked. See what we can do.
Manual lock on my doors.
Nice. Let's go.
Alright, Eli and I made it to the spot that we want to get to. When the sun comes up, we might shift around a little bit just to try and get some different angles. But for right now, we're just gonna sit tight, let things settle down, and hopefully we see some deer walking this line again this morning. Sounds good. Just had him confused for a little bit with the turkey call.
Were you just calling with your mouth?
Yeah.
Sounds good. I wish it was a little more open.
Take it right here.
You were plenty close enough.
Alright. Me and Eli, we got up, we did a quick little walkabout. Scouted just a little bit. Checked some spots for some signs, scouted just a little bit, but we've determined that our setup this morning is probably still going to be the best bet to kill something. So we're going to head back to the setup and sit for the rest of the morning. See what happens.
It's supposed to be like one of the best mushrooms you can eat, I think.
Really? What's it called?
Chicken of the woods.
Chicken of the woods, right there. Somebody in the comments fact check for us before we start eating poisonous mushrooms.
I'm gonna put some in my bag.
That's a neat animal.
Good morning, everybody. October 19th, not quite yet 20th. Another morning hunt. It is 38 degrees right now. It's the first time it's dropped below 50, I think. So got a nice cold front. Excited to get in this morning. So I've already seen the buck that I was after, actually. It's 5:58 in the morning. I've already seen the buck that I was searching for. The other morning when I hunted with my buddy Eli, on the way to the spot that we were trying to get to, we drove past a buck crossing the paved road in the dark. Either side's public. I wasn't even going to drive down there to check where he was to see if he's there again, but I missed my turn, so I went down there anyways. Sure enough, he's right on the side of the road, just doing deer things, I guess. There's some really mature open pines, and then there's a transition line that goes to some thicker stuff. I think some of it's hardwoods, a lot of it just looks like thick, nasty crap. I was going to wait till about gray light to start walking and scouting and trying to find a good place to set up. Now, I tried to get footage of him, but I passed him, and then when I came back, he was not there anymore. So I think he ran back on the right side of the road, and then I want to get to the other side of the road because I think that's where he's going to be crossing. But either way, got a good north wind. I can start from the south and work my way up either side. That's kind of my plan for today, is try to find some good enough sign to set up on, and it's going to be cold all morning. Hopefully he cruises that edge line. I think while it's still dark he's going to cross that road at some point, so I probably need to go ahead and get in there. We got about 45 minutes to an hour before it gets light outside, but that's exciting. I wish I got footage of him. He looks like a 120, 130 8-pointer, so that is typically a pretty rare sized buck for around here, so it gets me pretty excited. I'm gonna take my bow, hopefully stick an arrow in him, but I'm gonna get everything together and start walking, I reckon.
And I can definitely see where deer have been walking this transition. there's a little patch of young pines up in front of me. I can definitely see that deer coming to those pines, but I want to wait until it gets a little lighter to continue moving forward, so I want to set up here. Okay. It's light enough now to where I want to try to move up. This area that I'm in looks pretty damn good. I'd like to walk around and find some more hard sign, but there's oak trees mixed in with this pine transition, and there's acorns dropping all around. So it's great back there. I bet if we do a little bit more sleuthing, we'll find some more scrapes. But I do just want to slowly work my way up through this pine to where I can kind of see like where he was about to cross the road. Maybe try to get up in a tree. See if I can lay eyes on him, because I want to know if he's walking this line all the way down here, or if he's cutting into the wood line. I'd like to inch my way up. I bet I'm going to find some feed sign under these oaks. I'd like to find some more scrapes and a rub or two. That make me feel really good about how far he makes it down here. I've seen a lot of deer on their feet like 11 to 2 o'clock here, so if I can find something good enough, I'm not opposed to just sitting tight for a couple hours. I think I need to get up in a tree right here. Didn't walk very far. Right where I was set up, there's a ton of feed sign. Pretty fresh scrape here. And it's right along this line. Alright guys, I finally made it up in this tree. I'm not very high up just because there's a bunch of limbs sticking up and I can't really get shots around, so a little bit lower than I want to be in this tree, but I haven't seen anything. I just heard a gunshot. And that sun's bearing down on me something fierce right now, so I don't know if that buck is across the road or is even on my side of the road, to be honest with you, but I do know that there's sign here and that there's a decent chance that he does what I want him to do. And you know, I'm set. I'm ready for it if he does it, and I'm not pushing too far in a new area on the first day, which I feel like is what I've done a little bit. Past couple times I've gone into a new area, I've just pushed too far. So I'm gonna hang tight for probably a good percentage of the morning, and then maybe a little bit later on I might get down and finish scouting the rest of this edge. And if I really got some time, then I'm gonna go hop on the other side of the road, scout that transition line as well. Just see where the side looks best. Try to kill this buck. Definitely not scared of this road. I've seen him on it twice now.